Hello mga Ka-Toto! Welcome to another vlog full of light and love! This is Tori! At para po doon sa mga gustong matuto about life, events, business, at kung gusto nyo ma-inspire at ma-motivate, all you have to do is to follow me on my social media accounts, and please do tap on the notification bell for more video updates, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for today's vlog mga Ka-Toto, since I am an event specialist, allow me to share with you how you will get great services from your event suppliers. This is Tori. So number one mga Ka-Toto, remember to research carefully from your social media accounts. So we have a Facebook, we have IG, TikTok, YouTube, at marami pang iba. So from there, makaka-research kayo kung ano yung perfect na supplier for you at pasok na pasok sa iyong budget. And number two, make sure that the suppliers that you will hire are professional. So how are you going to check if they are professional? Through their portfolio. So malalaman nyo if they have taken their classes, if they have certification and all. Plus, you will be able to check kung ano yung mga client reviews nila ng mga nagawa nilang events from the past. At kung talagang tingin nyo they are qualified and you think that they can execute your event, ano pang ginagawa nyo? You can hire them right away. And third is to join Facebook community or bridal fair, because through that, malalaman nyo kung legit na legit talaga ang supplier na inyong napupusuan or gusto nyong kuhain. Plus, you will get good discounts. You will also get reviews or feedback from a former client din. Don't get suppliers who are offering super low packages. So, meaning to say, pag too good to be true, na halos nandoon na lahat at sa murang halaga nyo lang makukuha, magtaka na kayo, because that can be a scam or maaaring ang services na makukuha nyo or matatanggap nyo are not quality. And for number 5 mga Ka-Toto, so after booking all your suppliers, remember to treat them right. Yan, syempre sila yung mga suppliers na magtatrabaho for your event. So kung gusto mo maging successful yung event mo, kailangan i-treat nyo din sila ng maayos at ng maganda para maganda din yung kalabasan ng iyong event. Plus, they will be the one to make your event a memorable, stress-free, at sobrang enjoyable for you and your guests. And lastly is to feed them right. Siyempre, nakakapagod talaga magtrabaho for the entire day. Mahirap magtrabaho pagka walang laman ng tiyan. So, make sure lang that you order food for your suppliers para hindi sila magutom for the entire day at makapagtrabaho sila ng maayos at ng maganda for your event. And just for a quick recap mga Ka-Toto, for you to be able to hire and get great services from your suppliers is number 1, do your research. Number 2, make sure that all your suppliers are professional. Third one is join Facebook communities, Facebook groups, or even join the bridal fair. And next is don't get suppliers who are offering low ball rates or low ball packages. And next one is treat them right. And lastly is to feed them right. And that's it mga Ka-Toto. Everything I've mentioned dito sa vlog na to came from personal experience and syempre speaking as an event supplier din. Kaya naman, I hope you guys had fun and learned something for today's vlog. And kung ikaw ay bagong nanonood sa aking YouTube channel, please do not forget to click on the notification bell for more video updates and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Plus, follow all my social media accounts. And this is it. This is Tori signing out, and keep spreading light and love.